Hey guys, this is the unboxing technology quick look at the Uncrowned Kings cable management system. Love this company name. Feels like they're going to be super big, but you just haven't, heard of them yet, which is, I don't know, I think it's very interesting. So first thing we got is, I believe it is just a cable slip. Right, okay, so it has two different pieces of Velcro on the sides, so basically, which is awesome. IKEA has the white tubes and whatnot, and I think this just might look a little bit better when you have all your cables in a tube like this. Pretty smart. Pretty long. I do think that you'll be needing more of it if and you gotta cut it, obviously. Okay, so that's cool. You have a big, I've never seen ones actually this big, silicone cable. Like, their marketing is so superior to anything. Feels awesome. 3M foam for the sticker. Yeah, bendy, should slip right in there. Pretty nifty. How many of these you get? You get here, 2, 3. Then what is this? Okay, so what does it say? Cable protector. So if you have a non-braided cable and you want to give it some protection, it's pretty cool. And then you have cable ties. Essentially just, the products look on par, if not a little bit better than everything out there, but it's really the marketing that, this stuff stands on its own. Pretty awesome stuff. Uncrowned Kings cable management system, incredible marketing, lots of options. And I definitely recommend these guys. It's a super clean look, nice shades of gray, goes great with the IKEA white desk. I'll see you next time.